Hello, everyone. I am ZHAO Chuang. Let's draw a wild boar. Its entire skeletal structure is identical to domestic pigs, so when drawing, we can imagine it as a pig, but with more prominent skeleton and muscles. A challenge is the numerous bristly hair will partially cover up its body shape. When drawing, we still should know its inner structures and traits. The first is its overall shape. A feature that distinguishes the boar from other animals is its unusually tall shoulders. Domestic pigs are heavy and not good at running, so their bums tend to be larger. However, the boar's body is compact. The weight-bearing part of its shoulders is in the middle, so its scapulae are pretty tall. Its forelimbs are robust, its ears are smaller than domestic pigs, and its snout looks more pointed. It has 2 pairs of tusks, one on the maxilla and one on the mandible. When drawing, we should also notice its tusks' interlocked structure. Now, let's get started. We first determine its position in the picture. We draw it lowering its head and facing to the right. First, sketch the shape of its head. Its head is a large triangle. The back of the head is here, the ears are about here, and its nose is roughly here. The highest point of the wild boar is its back, which may be located here, and the rear is its body, and its bum ends here. Its feet are probably on the ground like this. Let's illustrate details from its head. Draw the nose first. Its nose is here, facing the ground. It has 2 nostrils. The nose tip tilts upwards, and the nose bridge can bulge a bit. Further upward is its forehead. Its face is slender. There is a small eye located here. Its eyes are a bit triangular. We draw the outer corner tilted up slightly, and the inner corner sloped downward. A tear gland-like structure is situated inside the inner corner of its eyes. We can simply show it. This texture here is formed by the inward curled hair. There is also some hair above its eyes. The wild boar is a densely hairy animal. Before drawing the lip, we should know that a curved tusk protrudes upward at this position. We should draw the tusk first because the lip skin at its root grows around it. We need to present a sense of enveloping. This layer of skin goes around and covers the top of the tusk. Here, we can draw some structures. The lower tusks are short, grow from its lower jaw, and point to the lateral side. We can draw its mouth slightly open. Its face is relatively broad and becomes very thin in front of the mouth. There are many tough bristles on its cheeks. Now, we move to draw its ears. Wild boar's ears are smaller than domestic pigs, but they are also facing forward. Then, there is its neck, which can be drawn from its back. Its back is highly bulged. Along the dorsal side of its neck, we can draw many bristles. Next is its shoulders. We can use the hair on its body to outline the appearance of its shoulders. Its upper arm wraps inside the body, and the exposed part starts from the lower arm. The same goes for the other side. Then, draw the wrist and palm. Next, let's draw its hooves. The two forward-pointed fingers form two hooves. The base of this leg can be painted with some shading. Afterwards, we come to its hind legs. First, draw its thigh, followed by the knee here, and further down are the calf, ankle, and sole. It has two toes facing forward, and two smaller ones facing backward. Then, draw its belly and back. Then, draw the other leg. Most of this leg has been blocked. Just draw the visible parts. Finally, it has a tail with lots of bristles at the end. Draw some stiff hair on the lower flank of its body. Draw some wrinkles on the upper part of its nose. At the base of the lower tusk, we can draw some skin to wrap this tooth. Add some wrinkles to the corner of the mouth. Good, like this. We finished drawing this wild boar.